No drip check, drip check. We got Dior's on feet. We got the EE on, and we got the little H&M shirt with the fucking BMW on the top with the fucking. You see how the fuck is going down, man. Now we gonna go to a dealership and see what fuck we could go find today. Trying to find the Turbo S. Trying to find the Turbo S. Trying to find the Turbo S. Customer parking, wholesale. Trying to find the Turbo S. Trying to find the Turbo S. What's that, crackhead? Trying to find the Turbo S. Dang. Trying to find the Turbo S. Search of the Turbo S. Is that a Turbo S? I don't like none of these cars, man. Where the Turbo S at, man? Bring out the Turbo S. There we go. Here's the Turbo S. Okay. What year is this thing? 2017? Yeah. It looks alright. I don't know about the drop top. I don't like it. I need a newer one. 2017 looks kind of old. It looks good though, but I don't like the drop top, and it looks kind of old with that wrap. Go check out this one. I need Turbo S Carrera GT Carrera Turbo. 911 Carrera Turbo. This bitch look like a Turbo S though. 992 Turbo S. This shit hard. This shit is clean. This is like a lighter Nardo gray color. M8. I'm good off Beamers, dog. I just need something that come fast off factory, man. They ain't got no Turbo S's though. There's a Porsche dealership on Okeechobee, man. They barely got them things. Go check out this Aston Martin truck. See how this thing looking. I love the designs of these things. It's just so unique. Everything is fully functional in this Air Aston Martin. It's like a hidden gem car. I fuck with it. What's that right there? Oh, Carrera. Go bring your shit in for maintenance, buddy. That's a GT3. It's nice, but I don't like track cars. I like racing. Let's see. That touring car looks pretty cool. Look at the ride height on that thing. That thing is huge. Oh, off-road? Nice. GT3. Oh, right here. This yellow one's a Turbo S as well?
No, that's not a turbo.
Oh, it's a GT?
Turbo should be on the side. That little coupe on the side.
Okay. Cool, the back brakes. Whew. Guys, what do you think? This is nice. At the last Porsche we had, I'm not gonna lie, the wide ass wheels always throws dirt, and you always hit your own car.
Yep, that's why the back has a little protector on the back of it.
Look, PPF, right? Let's see this other one. Gray.
Little Turbo S here.
Whew.
And this convertible up here is probably.
I'll take a look at this one real quick. How's this? 24. And this one's nice. I don't like the wheels though. This is 911. I really don't like the wheels. This one. Yeah, my brother got this one spec the same color. This one's sick. Damn, bro. Take all my money now. Are they unlocked? No. This thing is sick. I don't know, guys. What are you guys thinking? The darker gray or the lighter gray? 2023 99 Turbo S. It's 15,000 miles. Probably want about 2 for this. 200. That's not bad. You work hard, guys. You can pick and choose what Porsche you want. BMW letting off turbo noises. Some nice things. Damn, bro. I like this one, dog. I love it. It's heaven in here, guys. Look around. Fucking heaven. Plain, dog. Why did it have to have black calipers? So basic. Man, bro. It's so nice. It just has little things I don't like. I need pop-in calipers. Calipers got to be like red or yellow. That's a must. Oh, this one doesn't even come digi. Full digi? Oh, it's half digi? Damn, dog. The front of this car looks absolutely sick. And then when you come around to the back, that's when it starts to disappoint. It just looks so girly. Damn, dog. This thing will be clean. I just don't like the back. Back is so basic. GT4 RS, guys. You see how we coming.
They didn't stop?
No, that's what I tried to.
Yeah. Turn it. Yeah.
I think so.
What? No, it's not.
Yes, it is. No. Yes, it is. If you check Kubion is the opposite to do. That is the right way. Emergencies, you quick push it and then you shut it off. You're not supposed to think to turn it off. You only turn it to turn it on. Kubion said yes. I set the Kubion the opposite way.
So opposite.
I got to flip it down.
My shit.
So I only leave it like this because... Huh? I just let up the rest. One set of the screw.
No, it's still right there when you pull it out, you know.
I know, but if when you start, you want to do that all the time.
Shit tough.
Sometimes you just need a little roughing up.
Yeah. Just a little roughing up.
Got tight.
My shit.
Because it need a little roughing up to stay high, you know.
Long temp because it works better when the car up. Because it's cold, that's why it
what it is. I think it's 17. Long 17. Long 17. What is it?
13.
13 big one.
That shit clean.
Well, that's your phone? Your phone? Your phone?
Yeah.
You wouldn't know Holy Street, man.
What?
That's why you never Holy Street. Yeah, lean me up.
What do you mean? Only like that because for YouTube.
No, me know, but they are lean at one point.
Oh. Shop going crazy, you know. Hell are you doing? Or taking off the downpipe or tightening it?
That. Yes, sir. Yes. I think that's tightly right. No.
A little bit more. A little bit more. I like it a lot more. But stronger.
You see how he holding it? See how he holding it, dude?
Yeah, you don't got no
Just like
leverage,
you.
dude.
No, but that's what it is.
Just
so
like-
you don't bust it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is.
Only in the neck.
Yeah.
Whatever your hand can't stop.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so if you hold it with leverage, then you just keep over tightening it.
Good. They're easy to bust.
Yeah, I know, but they get a little something.
But you still gotta put the piece between here.
I know what you're talking about.
You took it off.
Yeah, it broke.
Bro,
Oh.
It broke.
bit there. Start it back.
Yeah, this shit is hard.
Start it back.
Because I still gotta adjust the shifter right now. Yeah, that thing is not sitting in fifth and thing position. Until you come outside, it's a 6-speed.
Yeah, no, it might shift to
It's 6-speed, yeah.
shift it all over.
That's why the car wild. That's why the car's so wild too.
Yeah, I like that. But me like this shift like that. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
but-
come back on mine. I think I gotta have this because
I'll select the probably can work.
that's what I'm saying.
So probably the one that in the MR2 right now, if you get a selector, just change the selector instead of doing the fab. Yeah, remember you still got to do the
Think
fab
so?
on this side? Remember it's on this side. So just swap the selector out if you have a selector. And the selector is easy to change.
Nah, I ain't got it. We would have to take the one from
I ain't got no
on the
extra- I ain't got no
MR2. We got
extra
another
select.
one on the MR2. Right on.
Oh, in the shop, yeah. So you take that one out.
Okay, nice.
Ahora mira, por lado, yo vi a ver. Voy a luchar antes.
Where's the beamer, bro?
It's at the house.
What's the house?
There's a Honda here for it.
What Honda?
No.
Yeah, because the low pressure can come on. Why do you get drive through the deal?
So you might as well put it in the trailer before we run out, I guess.
Yeah.
Go bring the key from when you came up. Shop the key. Hold on, Eddie, alignment off.
You put it already?
Yo, I like that thing I carry with my definitely do care.
Yeah, we is. Bring it for sure. No, me I come and me now I start pushing.
Well, I will carry it because you're going as early as me. So get it on the reach.
Bye. I'm trying to come spend the week too. Fuck you talking about,
By
bye.
Wednesday, by the way. That's the-
Wednesday I leave, and then that weekend, right? Weekend up here.
Nigga, we're going too close to the corner.
I say going in the bread factory or you gonna come up with this? Box on. Wait, I think. You low pressure for one again?
No. Because I gradually do it instead of into it.
But you see how it done solid? You see how it looks?
Just that, no, I can
Yes,
see
yeah,
that.
move a little bit and see it until it is like go.
You gotta move it over.
You
You can do the good job.